Recently, Huawei Malaysia just announced the arrival of the Huawei Nova 7 SE. This is a mid-range 5G smartphone and I've been using it for about 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm just going to go straight forward this time around and I'll go through my 6 points about this phone. My point number 1 about the Huawei Nova 7 SE is going to be its design. So this phone's design, I would say it's actually real sleek, it's nice to hold in the hands, and it comes in a total of 3 different colors. The one that we have here is called Space Silver, and you can see that there's a little Nova logo at the back here, and it's also slightly peach in color all the way at the bottom here. And then the second color is Midnight Summer. It's just, well, pretty much purple, and then it has a lot of Nova branding stapled across the entire back panel. And lastly is the crushed green color. I do like that color a lot. However, that big Nova branding at the back of the phone is just a little bit off-putting for me. And the Huawei Nova 7 SE also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and this also acts as a power button. So for me, personally, as a left-handed user, this is very convenient and I really wish that more phones would do this. And before I forget, there's also another headphone jack at the bottom of the phone, which is very important if you want to play games on this phone, which we will talk about it in the second point. Okay, so this phone, it comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a circular cutout at the top left corner of the screen here. It's kind of out of the way, it's okay, I would say, it's not too bad. And overall, the display, it looks nice, it does get the job done, and throughout my usage, there's no complaints whatsoever. And then the performance. This phone, like I mentioned at the start of this video, it comes with a 5G modem. So what Huawei did is to use an entirely different chipset, which is the Kirin 820, which also supports 5G obviously. So in terms of benchmarks, what we can tell you is that it is pretty much a tiny little upgrade from the Kirin 810 in terms of benchmarks, of course, but throughout our usage in terms of gaming, there's really no difference between the Kirin 810 and the Kirin 820. To go off topic a little, if you're planning to get the Huawei Nova 7 SE just because of 5G, you need to take note of the deployment time of 5G networks, which if your telco promises you 5G network within a few months, then maybe this is a good option. But looking at the situation in Malaysia with the whole virus situation, and that's delaying the whole 5G deployment, maybe not. And now my fourth point about the Huawei Nova 7 SE. This phone comes with a total of 4 different cameras, and I would only consider 2 of them to be usable. So we have an ultra-wide-angle camera, main camera, depth sensor, and also a macro camera. And overall quality itself, I really like the pictures that came out from the main 64MP camera itself. I do like the clarity, some of the colors, and some of the processing that it does, especially in terms of sunset shots, because I just took this smartphone out to the park during a sunset and it looks absolutely amazing. However, when we switch it on to the ultra-wide-angle camera, things start to get a little bit fuzzy. There's no auto-focusing feature right here, so yeah, you are stuck with the fixed focus camera and the grass just looks like a patch of colors. And for my fifth point about the Huawei Nova 7 SE is going to be its software. So it's running the latest EMUI 10.1 and it also has Widevine DRM L1, so you can watch HD videos on Netflix. I did install Netflix, but I did not sign in, so by theory, it should work. And you should also take note that this phone is using Huawei mobile services, and it is already stated on the box itself, which is situated right here. So there's no Google Apps, no Google Play Store, and for power users like you and me, you know where to get your apps. So might not be a problem for you, but if you do use Grab services, then do take note that Huawei mobile services just don't work. And for my sixth and final point about the Huawei Nova 7 SE is going to be its battery. In terms of specs itself, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which does not seem like much, but as per told in our Honor 9X Pro review, which uses the Kirin 810 chipset, it's very power efficient. Even on the Kirin 820 that we have here, it's very power efficient, and we got about 14 hours in terms of our battery life test, and I find that to be really amazing. So for the price of 1,499 ringgit, it's kind of obvious that the price hike here is because of that 5G, But I'm not too sure if you should pick up this phone because of 5G, like we mentioned earlier, because deployment is going to take time. And the main question that I want to pose to you is, are you sure that you're not going to change your phone when 5G comes? Because let's face it, this is a mid-range smartphone. It will get outdated kind of fast, I guess. And by the time 5G comes out, I'm sure a lot of 5G mid-range smartphones will be in the market. So yeah, that's all we have to say about the Huawei Nova 7 SE. That's quite a mouthful of a name. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and we'll see you in the next video.